What's up, guys? It's me, Amor, and today I'm gonna be making avalanche slime. So I'm starting with my glue, and it's halfway done. It's still really sticky. Then I'm gonna add my I'm gonna make it avalanche. Okay. I'm gonna put you in the beach house, run this Costa Rica, put a little flowers in your hand, mamacita. Don't know the words to the song. I'm just listening to what I say. I am totally stupid, so just listen to me singing. I'm watching SVU, just so y'all know. So, here's my slime. It's really sticky, so I'm gonna I don't know why it's so sticky. But it's like a pearl slime since I added the Tide instead of baking soda. It's pretty cool.
Did you know there's a specialty cleanser that's gentle enough for everyday use and cleans better than regular toothpaste? Try Polident Cleanser. It has a 4-in-1 cleaning system that kills 10 times more odor-causing bacteria than regular toothpaste. Deep cleans where brushing may miss. Helps remove tough stains and maintains the original color of your dentures when used daily. For a cleaner, fresher, brighter denture, use Polident every day. Volatile markets. Something we all think about as we head into retirement. It's why Bright House Financial is committed to help protect what you've earned and ensure it lasts. Introducing Shield Annuities, a line of products that allow you to take advantage of growth opportunities while maintaining a level of protection in down markets, so you can head into retirement with confidence. Talk with your advisor about Shield Annuities from Bright House Financial, established by MetLife.
Oh, dang it. It's very sticky. Ah.
Whatever you're doing to stay healthy, you might be missing something. Your eyes. That's why there's Occuvite. It helps replenish nutrients your eyes can lose as you age. Nourish your eyes to help keep them healthy. Occuvite, be good to your eyes.
Chili's took the burger you love made it bigger. Now $6.99. This thing's half a pound. $6.99 for an old timer. He's also the good mission. It's $6.99. Chili's is back, baby, back, baby, back. Baby, Chili's is back, baby, back, baby, back.
Recently, in a
Okay.
blind test, 2 out of 3 people chose Mattress Firm's Dream Bed Lux over the leading memory foam mattress. Our Dream Bed Lux costs $1,000 less and has cooling technology, so why pay more? Experience it today at Mattress Firm.
So this one is just me making the clear slime. But in my next video, I am going to be doing it when this is clear. And I'll be making the avalanche slime. And then that'll be it. And then the next time, I'm going to be doing it when it's clear, avalanche, and show you how you play with the avalanche slime. And it's actually pretty cool. I bet you guys thought that I was going to actually Put this one. Sorry, that one. Not yet, honey boo boo. Let this sit for about 2 days, and I'll see you guys in 2 days. So Sunday. I love you guys so much, and bye.